Hey guys, gonna do a quick unboxing of my Boox Palma. I have been shopping for e-readers for a while now, and this one really caught my eye because not only does it have the e-ink screen, but it's also got kind of everything else you'd expect in an Android phone or Android device. And so it just came in today, super excited, and I'm gonna give you kind of a first look here. So right out of the box, kind of really similar to how you get like an iPhone. It's covered with some soft touch plastic here, just like this. And go ahead and open this. Very cool. First impression, I mean, it feels kind of like a smartphone. It's a little bit lighter than I would have thought for the size. The back here, I got the white one, and it's kind of like maybe like a faux leather texture, but it's definitely feels like plastic. Then you've got some buttons on the side here. This does have a camera as well as a flashlight or a flash. And then it is USB-C, which was one of my hard criteria that I definitely had to have. So other than the device itself, you've got little slot opener here. This thing is for opening this, I guess. I'll play with that later. And other than that, you've got a cord. Strangely, this is a USB-A to USB-C cord, very thick, kind of chunky feeling, premium feeling, but not as premium as like what you get in a new iPhone with the woven cable. This is just a standard cable. Unfortunately, that's pretty much it in the box. You've got your little booklet here. That's it. So you get a cable, you get a slot opener, and you get the device itself. So turning the device on, let's see here. I've got this correct. Kind of a longer boot up sequence than I would have expected. Very bright screen, looks good. Okay, then you've got your normal setup. Different options of navigation bars. And we're in. That's it. Neat.